A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. Hope you all are doing good. So as we were doing your practice questions of measurement chapter, we'll continue with it today. We have completed till question number 9. Today we will start from question number 10. So everyone take out page number 41 of your workbook. Page number 41. Take out page number 41 of your workbook. So let's read question number 10. Let's read question number 10. Aditya's father has two ropes. One is 15 cubits long and other is 10 cubits long. He tries to tie a rope between two poles to hang the wet clothes. The distance between the poles is 12 cubits. Which rope will he use? So let's solve this question. Let's do step by step. The first line is what? Aditya's father has two ropes. Aditya's father has two ropes. Okay? Try to understand, children. One rope and here comes second rope. What is the length of first rope? One is 15 cubits long and other is 10 cubits long. One is 15 cubits long and the other is 10 cubits long. Okay, the length of first rope is 15 cubits and the length of second rope is 10 cubits. Now let's read the next line. He tries to tie a rope between two poles to hang the wet clothes. So there were two poles where Aditya's father thought to hang wet clothes, to tie one of the rope here between these two poles and to hang the wet clothes. So children, as you know that even you see at your home that your mother after washing clothes, what does she do? You put that wet clothes outside, right? She hang those clothes in the wire, in the rope, right? So same Aditya's father was thinking to do. He was thinking to tie one of the rope between these two poles and to hang the wet clothes. The distance between the poles is 12 cubits. Children, the distance between the poles is 12 cubits. Okay? Which rope will he use? Now the question comes here. Which rope will he use? He has two ropes, 15 cubits and 10 cubits. And the distance between two poles is 12 cubits. So children, if we use 10 cubits, it is smaller than the distance, isn't it? So it won't, if Aditya's father choose this, he won't be able to tie with the pillars, isn't it? So, can he use this second rope 10 cubit long? No. If he use 15 cubits long rope, children, with this what he can do? He can tie with the pillars, right? He can tie with the pillars. Just see, he can tie with the pillars. Now easily what he can do? He can hang the wet clothes. He can hang the wet clothes. Is it clear, children? So which option will he choose? Which rope will he choose? First one, 15 cubits. So let's write the answer. Have you understood, everyone? Okay. Length of one rope is equal to, what is the length of one rope? 15 cubits. Yes, 15 cubits. Okay. Next, and other is 10 cubits. So let's write the next line. Length of other rope is 10 cubits. The length of other ropes is your 10 cubits. He tries to tie a rope between two poles to hang the wet clothes. The distance between the poles is 12 cubits. Now let's write distance. Children, you can see from the book itself, okay? Don't make mistake while writing the spelling. You can see, check the spelling from the question itself. Distance between the two poles is equal to, what is the distance between the two poles? Yes, 12 cubits. 12 cubits. Okay. Now what the question is asking? Which rope will he use? Which rope will he use? First one or the second one? He will use the rope which is more than 12 cubits. So which rope is more than 12 cubits? First one. So you write, so he used one rope of 15 cubits. One rope of 15 cubits. So you note down this answer. Hope it is clear to everyone. Next, question number 11. Write the names of any three objects that are A. lighter than your school bag and B. lighter than a refrigerator. So everyone, children, you can try this question yourself. Just think over it. There are many objects which are lighter than school bag and there are many objects which are lighter than the refrigerator, that is fridge. Then number 12. Write the names of any three objects. You have to write the name of three objects. How many objects? Three objects that are heavier than a door and second one heavier than a bicycle. So you can write any three objects. Answer to this question, children, we'll discuss in our next class. So you can note down this answer and practice at home. If you find any difficulty in this question, we'll discuss again in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.